original equipment jockey wheels supplied with caravans, boats and trailers are usually very small and not really designed for moving the vehicle, they are just provided as a stand. In most cases, the Optitec remote control wheel directly replaces the original jockey wheel with no changes required and provides simple operation so that one person can manoeuvre their caravan or trailer. With a remote control range of up to 100 metres, it's easy to move the van in a safe manner without the risks involved when reversing connected to a car or other vehicle. The Optitec remote control wheel can easily manoeuvre a caravan or trailer of 3,000 kilograms. Level grass surfaces are no problem for the Optitec wheel, depending on the operator's ability to carry out this type of task.